Will a new DJI Mini 2 with those fresh stickers fix the horizon line issue? Let's find out. The old DJI Mini 2 was certainly a workhorse, capturing some fantastic photos and videos. It was battered and abused, flown through places you should never even think about flying, and it survived. But the horizon issue was a problem which I first spoke about 3 months ago now on firmware 1.2.3, and since then, every single time before flying, I've had to do manual gimbal calibrations with my trusty red line, and it was never correct ever. It was always off all the time, and it just got worse. And it wasn't just me, loads of you guys also fed back and said, look, you've got similar issues, is this ever going to be fixed? And at the time, because it was since that firmware update, I thought that firmware update just knackered it in completely, and it was just one of them. I just put up with it and I lived with it. But enough was enough, and I couldn't take this any longer. I was forgetting to do this gimbal calibration and I was ruining shots because of this. So I spoke to DJI about this, sent them some examples, sent them the actual footage of it being completely off all the time, and I was given some options. I could either send it in for repair and replace, but I was given a reference number, and I'll talk about at the end what I did with that. But the other issue about this iPhone overheating on 1.4.8, today I'm testing this sunshade to see if this helps at all, and I'm going to be using it throughout this video. So the new DJI Mini 2 is ready, it's its first flight, firmware update's ready, stickers still on. Let's put this in the air, and this is what it looks like starting off full battery with this sunshade on. So it's really bright again today, but this sunshade certainly helps, and hopefully it will help to decrease some of that temperature from the sun as well. So we should hopefully be able to see better and not be as hot. But look at that horizon line, that is now spot on. So this is the third DJI Mini 2 I've tested it, and it's now brilliant, back to normal, just how I expect it to be and just how you guys expect it to be. So for those who are having issues with your horizon line, you need to send it back in, get it sorted. It's not going to be sorted on a firmware update, or you could be waiting a long time. I also got the new active track on the DJI Mini 2 as well included. I couldn't believe it. This might be a new prototype of the Mini 3. I'm joking you, but make sure if you've got an issue with this, send it in. I cannot recommend it enough. You might be without your drone for a little bit, but it's going to be fixed. And for those guys who don't know how to change it, you just go to settings, control, and then gimbal calibration, and just click either auto when it's on a level surface, or click manual, and then you can adjust it yourself. But if you're having to do this regularly, then send it in is a problem with it, and I'll explain a little bit more at the end of the video. Let's just go back to that sunshade. So I'm flying this drone now. It's been in the air for a bit of time, and the phone isn't as warm. It's definitely helping. I can see that screen clearly still, and the temperature 18 degrees, so it's hotter than the last example I showed you, and it is bright as well. At this time on the last video I did, this phone had actually dimmed, and it's not gone on to auto dim, so that is an improvement. So if you've not got a sunshade, having one of these definitely helps. What about the colours? So the colours, I'm still having to bring that saturation down. I will be showing you how to do that if you're not too sure. It's dead easy. But I'm so happy with that horizon line now. I don't have to keep adjusting this. It was so frustrating. So Mini 2 is back up to scratch again. We just need to sort out, if we can, this phone charging option. But this sunshade is helping. We're just around the 40% battery mark now, and this phone hasn't dimmed. It is warm, it's bright. So this sunshade, which I haven't used before, is helping. I can still see that screen clearly, as you can see here as well. So using a sunshade definitely helps. It's not perfect, I know, because it's something else you've got to have to take with you, and it's a bit cumbersome, but it helps. If you want to pick one of these up on Amazon, I will link in the description below, around about the £20, $20 mark, and these just go on. It also comes with a lanyard as well, so you can clip it around onto the controller around your neck. So DJI Mini 2 works brilliantly. So you don't have to have the DJI refresh. What I did is, because I spoke to DJI and I got like a reference number, just like a job number, anything where they're actually aware of it and they're taking your inquiry. So it's like a job number, or a ticket number, reference number. And then I bought my actual Mini 2 from a place called Argos in the UK. So I contacted Argos. I said, there's been a fault on this. It's been happening for a while now. But because it's got a 1 year's warranty, you just go into Argos, well I did, and showed them that job number, and then they just replaced it for me. So I got a brand new one. I imagine you could do exactly the same if you've bought it from Amazon. Amazon have a fantastic returns policy as well. Just go on to chat with them if you bought it through Amazon. Get that information or reference number first from DJI. Just explain to them, look, it's an ongoing fault. DJI are aware about this, and then you should hopefully get a replacement. If not, you didn't buy it from them too, and you got to go the DJI route. Just contact them; they're really helpful, and then you're gonna have to send your drone in. Once they actually assess it, you'll then get either a replacement or a repair. It does take a bit longer if you're not bought it from DJI and you bought it from one of these other retailers, and you're gonna get a quicker replacement. I got mine on the same day, so fantastic for me because I do need obviously a drone for these videos. But get it sorted. I really highly recommend. Don't be putting up with these wonky horizon lines any longer. And then in relation to the actual heating, until we get the option to turn the phone charging on or off, a sunshade will definitely help, so go and check them out. And then finally, the last thing I can say is to all my American friends out there, I hope you're a fantastic 4th of July. Thanks so much for supporting the channel, and we'll see all of you guys very soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.